In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve File Explorer missing or not showing in the taskbar on Windows 11. So as we can see, we can access File Explorer by this taskbar, but for any reason you are not able to see or it's missing on taskbar. So press Windows key plus E. So by this shortcut you can open File Explorer. Second method, click on Start and search here File Explorer. Now right click on File Explorer and here you will see the option Pin the taskbar. Pin to taskbar, select it. And another method, you can create shortcut for taskbar. So right click New, select shortcut and browse, and here expand this PC, expand C drive, expand Windows, and here select Explorer. Select it and then click on OK. Next, type a name here, then click on Finish. Now you can keep this File Explorer shortcut on taskbar or anywhere on your desktop. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.